Headlamp on a 2004 Toyota Avalon. To remove the headlamp, there are just 3 nuts holding it in, 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3. So just these 3 bolts need to be removed, and then the headlamp pulls right out. And once those 3 bolts have been removed, you just kind of wiggle the headlamp until it pops out. There you go. There's no power connector like there are in the Camry models. Just the 3 bulbs here. You can just twist those counterclockwise to take them out, or you can push down on this tab and wiggle the connector off. I've got to replace the parking light in this because the new headlamp didn't come with one. It came with headlights, but it didn't come with a parking light. And a parking light is just simply a twist, a push in and twist setup. To get this off, if you want to take the connector off, it's easiest to just use a flat tip screwdriver to push down on this tab in this notch and pry the connector off. And putting it back in is just a matter of wiggling it back into place. There is a pin that goes into this hole here. It's not a snap connect, it's just this pin going into this hole. It's more like a guide than anything else. But just wiggle the headlight back into place, and I'm going to need 2 hands to do this, so I'm going to have to stop filming. And once you get it back into place, nestled in there, just reattach those 3 bolts. And then the 3rd one down. Other side works the same way. Same 3 bolts, wiggle it out, replace it, put it back in. Should be about a 15-minute job to replace both.